It's February 5th. We're in Baltimore, Maryland. We're expecting a major snowstorm. I'm going to document the plaza before, during, and after the storm so that we can have a record, a historical record, of how much snowfall we actually had. As you can tell, the plaza's been busy. The grocery store's been swamped for the last 2 days with warnings of the storm. There's been over an hour waiting line. Yesterday, the entire plaza was filled all day with the cars. Today, it's slowed down considerably. As you can see, it's just barely starting to snow. The snow was expected to start at 1 o'clock today, which it did promptly. Today's Friday. It's expected to keep snowing until late Sunday. More to the story later.